Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I am going to discuss about some important GK questions. So friends, watch this video till the end. First question is, what is the capital city of India? Right answer, New Delhi. Okay, New Delhi is the capital city of India. Next very important question. Which is the national animal of India? Answer, Bengal tiger. Bengal tiger is the national animal of India. Next. What is the largest ocean in the world? Answer, Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in India. Next. What is the national flower of India? Answer, lotus. Lotus is the national flower of India. Next. How many continents are there in the world? Answer, 7. 7 continents are there in the world. Next. What is the chemical symbol of water? Answer, H2O. H2O is the chemical symbol of water. Next. What is the largest planet in our solar system? Answer, Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. Next. What is the largest organ in our human body? Answer, skin. Skin is the largest organ in the human body. Next. Who is the father of the Indian nation? Answer, Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi is the father of the Indian nation. Next. What is the national language of India? Answer, Hindi. Hindi is the national language of India. Next. What is the national bird of India? Answer, Indian peacock. Indian peacock is the national bird of India. Next. Which is the national game of India? Answer, hockey. Hockey is the national game of India. Next. Who wrote the Indian national anthem? Answer, Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore wrote the Indian national anthem. Next. Which Indian state is known as the land of gods? Answer, Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand is known as the land of gods. Next. What is the highest mountain peak in India? Answer, Kanchenjunga. Kanchenjunga is the highest mountain peak in India. Next. Which is the largest state in India in terms of area? Answer, Rajasthan. Rajasthan is the largest state in India in terms of area. Next. What is the national tree of India? Answer, Banyan. Banyan is the national tree of India. Next. Which Indian state is famous for its backwaters? Answer, Kerala. Kerala is famous for its backwaters. Next. What is the currency of India? Answer, Indian rupee. Indian rupee is the currency of India. Next. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? Answer, Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. Next. Which is the largest state in India in terms of population? Answer, Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is the largest state in India in terms of population. Next. Which is the national emblem of India? Answer, Lion, capital of Ashoka. Lion, capital of Ashoka is the national emblem of India. Next. What is the official language of the Indian state of Maharashtra? Answer, Marathi. Marathi is the official language of the Indian state of Maharashtra. Next. Who built the Taj Mahal? Answer: Emperor Shah Jahan. Emperor Shah Jahan built the Taj Mahal. Next. Which Indian state is famous for its tea plantation? Answer: Assam. Assam is famous for its tea plantation. Next. What is the national aquatic animal of India? Answer: a river dolphin. A river dolphin is the national aquatic animal of India. Next. Who is known as the Missile Man of India? Answer: Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is known as the Missile Man of India. Next. Which is the largest city in India by population? Answer: Mumbai. Mumbai is the largest city in India by population. Next. Which Indian state is famous for the Golden Temple? Answer: Punjab. Punjab is famous for the Golden Temple. Next. Which Indian state is famous for the Sundarbans mangrove forest? Answer: West Bengal. West Bengal is famous for the Sundarbans mangrove forest. Next. Which city in India is known as the Pink City? Answer: Jaipur. Jaipur is known as Pink City. Next. What is the national song of India? Answer: Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram is the national song of India. Next. Which Indian state is famous for the Red Fort? Answer: Delhi. Delhi is famous for the Red Fort. Next. Who was the first Indian woman to win an Olympic medal? Answer: Karnam Malleswari. Karnam Malleswari was the first Indian woman to win an Olympic medal. Next. Which Indian state is famous for the Ajanta and Ellora caves? Answer: Maharashtra. Maharashtra is famous for the Ajanta and Ellora cave. Next. Who is known as the Iron Man of India? Answer: Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is known as the Iron Man of India. Next. Which Indian state is known as the land of the rising sun? Answer: Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh is known as the land of the rising sun. Next. What is the official language of the Indian state of Tamil Nadu? Answer: Tamil. Tamil is the official language of the Indian state of Tamil Nadu. Next. Who is known as the Nightingale of India? Answer: Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu is the Nightingale of India. Next. Which Indian state is famous for the Valley of Flowers? Answer: Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand is famous for the Valley of Flowers. Next. Which Indian state is famous for the Meenakshi temple? Answer: Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is famous for the Meenakshi temple. Next. Who is known as the Missile Woman of India? Answer: Tessie Thomas. Tessie Thomas is known as the Missile Woman of India. Next. Which Indian state is famous for the Kaziranga National Park? Answer: Assam. Assam is famous for the Kaziranga National Park. Next. Who is known as the Iron Lady of India? Answer: Indira Gandhi. Indira Gandhi is known as the Iron Lady of India. Next. Which Indian state is famous for the Sun Temple in Konark? Answer: Odisha. Odisha is famous for the Sun Temple in Konark. Next. Who is known as the Wizard Hockey in India? Answer: Dhyan Chand. Dhyanchand is known as the wizard hockey in India. Next. Which Indian state is famous for the Lake Palace in Udaipur? Answer Rajasthan. Rajasthan is famous for the Lake Palace in Udaipur. Next. Which Indian state is famous for the Nalanda University ruins? Answer Bihar. Bihar is famous for the Nalanda University ruins. Next. Which Indian state is famous for the Hawa Mahal? Answer Rajasthan. Rajasthan is famous for the Hawa Mahal. Next. Which Indian state is famous for the Kovalam beach? Answer Kerala. Kerala is famous for the Kovalam beach. Next. Which Indian state is famous for the Victoria Memorial? Answer West Bengal. West Bengal is famous for the Victoria Memorial. Next. Which Indian state is famous for the Charminar? Answer Telangana. Telangana is famous for the Charminar. Next. Which Indian state is famous for the Amer Fort? Answer Rajasthan. Rajasthan is famous for the Amer Fort. Next. Which Indian state is famous for the Mysore Palace? Answer Karnataka. Karnataka is famous for the Mysore Palace. Next. Which Indian state is famous for the Somnath Temple? Answer Gujarat. Gujarat is famous for the Somnath Temple. Next. Which Indian state is famous for the Qutub Minar? Answer Delhi. Delhi is famous for the Qutub Minar. Next. When did Simon Commission come to India? Answer 1928. Simon Commission came to India in 1928. Next. When did Jallianwala Bagh massacre take place? Answer 13 April in 1919. When did the Jallianwala Bagh massacre take place? Answer 13 April in 1919. Next. When did the Quit India movement start? Answer 8 August 1942. When did the Quit India movement start? Answer 8 August 1942. Next. Who founded the Azad Hind Fauj? Answer Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose founded the Azad Hind Fauj. Next. When did the Constitution of India come into force? Answer 26 January in 1950. When did the Constitution of India come into force? Answer 26 January in 1950. Next. Who is the guardian of the Constitution of India? Answer Supreme Court. Supreme Court is the guardian of the Constitution of India. Next. In which year the National Commission for Women Act was passed by the Parliament? Answer in 1990. In which year the National Commission for Women Act was passed by the Parliament? Answer 1990. Next. What is the gas emitted from motor vehicles? Answer carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide is the gas emitted from the motor vehicles. Next. Which was the first river valley project of India? Answer Damodar Valley project. Damodar Valley project was the first river valley project of India. Next. Who gave the slogan of Dilli Chalo? Answer Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose gave the slogan of Dilli Chalo. Next. Bhagra Nangal project is on which river? Answer Sutlej. Bhagranangal project is on Sudlej river. Next. Hirakund dam is situated in which state? Answer Orissa. Hirakund dam is situated in Orissa. Next. Who was the first person to reach the moon? Answer Neil Armstrong. Neil Armstrong was the first person to reach the moon. Next. Where are the diamond mines in India? Answer Andhra Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. Where are the diamond mines in India? Answer Andhra Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. Next. Which Indian leader tried to end the practice of sati? Answer Raja Ram Mohan Rai. Raja Ram Mohan Rai tried to end the practice of sati. Next. What is the maximum time taken to sing the national anthem? Answer 52 seconds. What is the maximum time taken to sing the national anthem? Answer 52 seconds. Next. Where was Mother Teresa born? Answer Albania. Mother Teresa was born in Albania. Next. Who is the Commander in Chief of the Indian Armed Forces? Answer President. President is the Commander in Chief of the Indian Armed Forces. Next. With whom is the Blue Revolution related? Answer with fish production. Blue Revolution is related to fish production. Next. Which country shares the longest boundary with India? Answer Bangladesh. Bangladesh shares the longest boundary with India. Next. Which is the boundary line called between India and Pakistan? Answer Radcliffe Line. Radcliffe Line is called between India and Pakistan. Next. Which channel separates the Andaman and Nicobar Islands? Answer 10-degree channel. 10-degree channel separates the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Next. Which state in India shares our boundaries with maximum states? Answer Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh shares our boundaries with maximum states. Next. Abolition of untouchability comes under which article in India? Answer Article 17. Abolition of untouchability comes under Article 17 in India. Next. What is the meaning of white color on the Indian national flag? Answer peace and truth. Peace and truth is the meaning of white color on the Indian national flag. Next. What is the maximum gap between two sessions of the parliament? Answer 6 months. 6 months is the maximum gap between two sessions of the parliament. Next. When is National Girl Child Day celebrated in India? Answer 24 January. National Girl Child Day is celebrated in India on 24 January. Next. On which day National Youth Day is celebrated every year in India? Answer 12 January. National Youth Day is celebrated every year in India on 12 January. Next. When is Indian Navy Day celebrated every year? Answer 4 December. Indian Navy Day is celebrated every year on 4 December. Next. Which is the third highest civilian award in India? Answer Padma Bhushan. Padma Bhushan is the third highest civilian award in India. Next. Silent Valley National Park is situated in which state? Answer Kerala. Silent Valley National Park is situated in Kerala. Next. Which is the lower house of the Parliament of India? Answer Lok Sabha. Lok Sabha is the lower house of the Parliament of India. Next. Name the river bank on which the Taj Mahal is situated. Answer Jamuna. Taj Mahal is situated on the bank of Jamuna. Next. Who was the first female IPS officer in India? Answer Anna Rajam Malhotra. Anna Rajam Malhotra was the first female IAS officer in India. Okay, who was the first female IAS officer in India? Answer Anna Rajam Malhotra. Next. Who is known as the Flying Sikh of India? Answer Milkha Singh. Milkha Singh is known as the Flying Sikh of India. Next. Next very important question. Which was India's first mission to the moon? Answer Chandrayaan 1. Chandrayaan 1 was the India's first mission to the moon. Next. What is the motto of the Indian national emblem? Answer Satyamev Jayate. Satyamev Jayate is the motto of the Indian national emblem. Next. Who was the first Law and Justice Minister of India? Answer Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the first Law and Justice Minister of India. Next. Who was the first Speaker of the Lok Sabha? Answer Ganesh Vasudev Mavlankar. Ganesh Vasudev Mavlankar was the first Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Next. Where is the Indian Military Academy located? Answer Dehradun. Indian Military Academy is located in Dehradun. Next. The Indian Institute of Science is located in which Indian city? Answer Bangalore. The Indian Institute of Science is located in Bangalore. Next. Which is the only continent where giraffes live? Answer Africa. Which is the only continent where giraffes live? Answer Africa. Next. What is the highest peak of the Aravalli mountain range? Answer Guru Shikhar. Guru Shikhar is the highest peak of the Aravalli mountain range. Friends, in this video I have already discussed 100 GK questions. All questions are very much important for your any kind of competitive exam. I hope this video will help you to increase your knowledge on GK. And friend, if you want to get another video, you can go to my channel. There you will get a playlist. From there you can watch any kind of video. Friends, you can also subscribe my channel and press the bell button to get the notification of the next video. Thank you for watching my video.